Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to determine if a process is running with administrator privileges on Windows 10. So very simple, we're going to start by heading over to our taskbar and we're going to right click on it. And then we're going to left click on Task Manager. I'm going to click on the More Details button at the bottom. And then I'm going to left click on the Details tab. Now I'm going to right click on the column header bar, and then I'm going to left click on select columns. Now you want to scroll down until you arrive at the UAC virtualization and the elevated options. You want to click on the button next to elevated and the one next to UAC virtualization, and then you want to left click on OK. Now if I make the task manager a little bit bigger here, you can clearly see that we have a new column where it tells us if the process is running with or without administrative privileges. No would mean it does not have administrative privileges. Yes means it does. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.